Hello everyone, welcome to today's conversation. Joining us are Saket Narula, Group CIO at National Holding, and Mohammed Gharaibeh, CEO at Rise. Welcome, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you very much for having us.
Saket, I will start with you because you are the Group CIO at National Holding, such a big conglomerate. So how is, being the CIO and manage all the digital strategy when you work in different verticals?
I'll give you a quick background of what National Holding is. We're one of the largest conglomerates across the country. We have about 120 plus entities across board. We operate in most business verticals: finance, real estate, investments, F&B, education, and so on and so forth. My role at National Holding is to manage the whole technology infrastructure and the technology initiatives that the company drives towards. It's been pretty challenging because all business verticals operate differently. They have their own business operational requirements and strategic initiatives that they drive independently. So my role at National Holding is to ensure that from a technology footprint standpoint, we unify the investments that we do in terms of technology, and we also upkeep with the market so that our business verticals are in competition or are competitive to the players in which they operate. So in terms of challenges, there are a lot of challenges. Every business vertical operates independently of itself, and we're doing our best to keep them up to speed across the marketplace.
I think we all agree that nowadays it's challenging being a group CIO within a corporation, but it's also really exciting to address all of these challenges within your strategy. Like you mentioned, it's been hard. Like before partnering with Ian Enterprise, can you mention to us a little bit more about these issues and challenges like you were facing before?
The advantage of connecting with Ian Enterprise, I'll rephrase the question differently. So I'll talk about the benefits of my partnership with Ian Enterprise. We were operating for business requirements. We were operating in different silos. So we've been able to consolidate our licensing requirements under a single umbrella. Our cloud computing requirements have been under a single umbrella. Our security is now under a better control, and Ian Enterprise plays a very predominant role in managing a lot of those things for us.
Thank you, Saket. That was really interesting. Mohammed, I will continue with you. Like, why Ian Enterprise was the right partner for you?
Thank you for the question, and thank you for having us tonight with you, talking about the partnership between us and between Ian Enterprise. The question is a very good question, especially this time. As my colleague Saket said, National Holding is a big conglomerate and having more than 120 entities. Rise Group, the one which I am managing and I am the CEO for right now, is a small group within National Holding. We are specialized into technology, into telecom, into network infrastructure, cybersecurity, AI, and many other solutions comes under the ICT. So part of our job is to serve our sister company. Actually, Saket is our client at the end of the day. So we serve our sister companies to make sure that they reach the vision that they are looking for, which having a unified solutions and unified services. So that's what Rise Technology is doing. We in Rise Technology always looking for a good partnership to serve our sister companies and to serve our external clients. So nothing better than partnership with Ian Enterprise.
Absolutely.
We have seen recently in the last 5 to 10 years, myself, I've been in the country for more than 25 years. I have seen the development journey of Ian. Before it was Etisalat, it was specialized only on the telecom side. But slowly, we have seen them improving and developing and going to a full service provider and a different variety services they come with it to the market. So we found out if we partnership with them to serve our clients, that will be a very good partnership and a value proposition for our clients. That's why we are with Ian Enterprise.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Saket, like we talk about like why Ian Enterprise is the right partner, all the development you experienced during this journey. Like, what are some of the use case studies that Ian Enterprise helped you to develop across different verticals, like manufacturing, real estate, healthcare?
So we're doing three predominant recent initiatives with EN. We've done a smart manufacturing IR 4.0 assessment, and we're doing an implementation with EN. We're doing smart housing projects with Bloom, where they manage my IoT infrastructure across my buildings and my workplaces. And we're also working with them on our infrastructure projects, which include our malls and my new hospitals and stuff like that. So they play a very predominant role in managing all aspects of the projects that we do across the board.
Mohammed, how do you see this partnership with Ian in the future, shaping your future growth in the company and also the innovation plans behind the strategy?
Thank you. Always we are looking on a positive side of the partnership. The positive side of the partnership future-wise, that EN Enterprise have more access to the technologies which is coming from outside all over the globe. And we would love always to be a partner in this. We would love to learn with them, going to the journey of learning together and developing more solutions together. And I think that will be a very successful future partnership where we both have a win-win situation. We work with them for our internal projects, and they introduce us also to their wide network of customers, where we both, and Enterprise and Rise Technology, part of National Holding also, we would have a chance to work on much large and mega projects together. So that is a successful future partnership.
Yeah, absolutely. Finding the right partner is very important for continue success. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to see you soon.
Thank you very much for the opportunity. And I would like to thank especially to the E-Enterprise team, starting from their CEO to all the team members who are in the EN Enterprise. They are good people. They come always to us with open hands for any new services and any new partnerships. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us. Thanks.
Thank you very much.